Hi everybody, I just received a new DTF printer. I've been busy flat out making t-shirts and different little things like onesies and just having a blast with this new machine. The image that you see on your screen here is a t-shirt that I designed. I'm actually taking orders on Facebook right now for customized shirts from my clients. They send me a picture of their pet. I run it through Remove BG website and take the background out and paste it in here. Print it out on my DTF printer. Pop it on a t-shirt and my clients are loving it. So that's one way you can profit from with your DTF printer. It's absolutely the way to go. Screen printing, vinyl, doesn't hold a candle to this. You can get photographic quality. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to grab my print that I've just taken off my DTF printer now and give you an idea of what the quality looks like. So this is the back side. This is where we will apply the powder to make it stick to the shirt. I'm not going to go through the steps of the DTF process. I just want to show you a few of the projects that I'm doing currently. Before I sent this to my printer, I had to mirror the image so that when it gets pressed to the shirt, it will, I'm trying to line this up with the camera here now. When it gets pressed to the shirt, it'll not be backwards. So you always need to mirror your image before you send it to your printer. Next thing I have to do now is apply the powder to this. I put it on my 16 by 24 heat press here for 3 minutes at 370 degrees at about an inch. I don't put it in a convection oven. I find that my convection oven is not quite big enough for these transfers. So I'm just going to show you the finished product. So obviously you can see that this is not exactly the same dog that I showed in the initial design. What had happened was we had a really bad storm here and we were going around taking videos and pictures of the storm, so I had to delete some of the initial footage that I'd taken when I pressed the initial shirt. But you can see how beautiful the quality comes out. This DTF stuff is so totally amazing. This design is so totally amazing. Clients love it. Everybody who loves their dog wants one of these shirts. So if you'd like to see more of my content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos. I'm going to be doing lots of original stuff and I'd like to share it with you. Have a great day.